I am a big believer in starting off the first 6 weeks of school by building routines, starting with getting the kids on the same page, making sure that the writing community is solid. And I think that for Writing Workshop, the best way to do that is to launch it with a lot of intentionality. And so we have created this launching unit and I think it does just that. It launches with intention.
The program really emphasizes process as much as it does product. And I love Jump Into Writing for that reason. I think that when kids really start to understand their writing process, it elevates them to a very conscious level of, I am a writer.
Over the course of 4 weeks, we are setting up community expectations. We're getting to know our students, not just as writers, but as people by sitting down in one-to-one conferences with them. We're giving them tons of generating strategies so that they have lots of ways to get started on a piece of writing. And we're giving them choice. We're helping them understand that their lives have meaning and value and that they can pick a topic or a story that they want to write about and take it through an accelerated publication process.